हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज के लेक्चर में हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 से शुरुआत करेंगे। चैप्टर 3 पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। सो सबसे पहले लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। सो ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Whenever you write a linear equation, we always represent in a standard form. For example, let us consider an example that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. So 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. ये फॉर्म लिखा जाता है, मीन्स दिस इज द स्टैंडर्डाइज फॉर्म. In that case, we have constants. What are these ABC real constants? Now, in this example, you can say constants are A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and our C is equal to minus 8. So, in that way, we have completed the basic understanding of standard form of representation. Okay, now we will understand what is the total whole chapter about. Now the whole chapter covers of 5 topics. So in that 5 topics, that is pair of linear equations. So the basics are being covered over here. So you will get everything detailed about linear equation, how they are drawn on the graph paper, and some of the properties. In that same case, topic 2 will be how to find out the values of the variables. So अगर variables दिए गए हैं दो in a linear equation, so we have to find these values. So this is one related to topic 2. टॉपिक 3 में हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज अ algebraic method. And topic 4 again deals with another method, that is elimination method. And topic 5 will be dealing with your equations reducible to a pair of linear equations. So this will be something what we will look out in the chapter. So whole syllabus is being shown over here in the form of topics. So one by one we will keep ourselves updated along with the topics provided with the chart, and later we will fill this whole chart in a one loop. So let us begin with today topic 2 and topic 3. Okay, so this is my topic 2. So topic 2 will be saying the algebraic methods for solving. So let us understand what are that. So पहला है graphical method, यानी using a graph. So we are going to see out later on what is graphical method. In today's session we are going to study specifically the substitution method. आज हम पढ़ेंगे substitution method. बाकी elimination method है and cross multiplication. As far this is deleted from the syllabus for the year, so we are not going to take it, but we are going to cover the 3 methods, that is graphical, substitution and elimination. Most probably these 2 methods are being used to solve the word problems as well as most of the sums. So we will make a good understanding of the substitution method. So beginning with the substitution method. चलो, so क्या है ये substitution method? So let us say topic number 3 we are going to study example. So here is an example that is saying that the two linear equations, one is given as x plus 8y is given as 19, and second equation is 2x plus 11y which is given as 28. This is my first equation, this is my second equation. If I say what I have to do, फिर so I have to find out the third equation. अब third equation कैसे बनाना है सर? तो in that case 2 equations are provided. So what I am going to do, considering the first equation, look out, 8x plus 8y is equal to 19. इस equation में से दूसरा एक equation extract करूंगा. कैसे? I'll write x in terms of y, that is 19 minus 8y. अब हमें मिला x की वैल्यू, that is my third equation. अब यही x की वैल्यू कहाँ पे जाएगी? It will be substituted in equation. So I'll write substituting. Let us substitute this. Okay, so substituting equation number 3 in equation number 2. Why in 2? Because हमने फर्स्ट से थर्ड बनाया है, यानी फिर से थर्ड में नहीं डालना है, फिर से वन में नहीं डालना है. वी शुड पुट इट इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन. सो जहाँ पे x है, इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस x आई एम गोइंग टू पुट 19 माइनस 8y. सो लेट अस से 2 in bracket 19 minus 8y, that is finished, plus 11y is equal to 28. Now the process is simple to multiply and open the brackets. So 19 2s are 38 minus 8 2s are 16y plus 11y is equal to 28. चलो done. So 38 minus 5y is equal to 28. So this minus 5y can be written as 28 minus 38. What I am doing, I am taking the variables one side, constant one side. So you get here minus 10 और यहाँ पे मिलता है minus 5. So that is what, if I write y, very simple, it will be minus 10 upon, so it will be minus, so this is minus 10 upon minus 5. So we get y is equal to, very simple, y is equal to 2. Now if you get your y, what I have to do, अब x की तैयारी है, so put y is equal to 2 in equation number. अब मुझे बताओ कौन सी इक्वेशन, देखो ये इक्वेशन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, ये भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, थर्ड इक्वेशन तो ऑलरेडी x इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ y, so only put in third equation, that is the quickest way. So x is equal to 19 minus 8 और y की जगह आ जाएगा 2. So you get the answer, that is 19 minus 8 2 is 16. X is equal to 3. That is done here. So if I write the solutions for this question, that will be x comma y gives you 3 comma 2. Okay, so this is whole the substitution method. Okay, so you can hold on a second, stop the video and record and write down the sum. So this is the example of substitution method. So we have simple, find the third equation. Once you have found the third equation, this third equation will be substituted in this and we get the value of y. Once you get y, put it in third equation back and get x. So the plain process. Chalo. So now let us move to the next sum. So I am going to now start with the 3.3 exercise of the textbook. Now solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. Okay, यहाँ पे sum दिया है. So students, let us do this as we have done the sum right now. X plus y 14 is provided, my first equation. X minus y is provided as 4, my second equation. अब मैं क्या करूँगा, I'll consider the first equation back again, that is 14. यहाँ से x की वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ y लिखे तो क्या लिखना पड़ेगा, 14 minus y, and this is my third. एक बार थर्ड इक्वेशन मिल गया, again substitute. What will say, substituting equation number 3 in equation number second. अब second में substitute करते ही क्या मिल जाएगा, so let us write, that is 14 minus y is equal to 4. Done. 14 minus 2y gives you 4. Minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14, and you write your minus 2y is equal to minus 10. So what will be again y? Y will be minus 10 upon minus 2. That will be y is equal to only 5. So I have got my y. Again we had studied that putting y is equal to 5 in equation number, which is the easiest equation. Again let's recall, easiest equation third होता है. So x is equal to, जहाँ पे y दिखेगा वहाँ पे put करना है 5, and we get x is equal to 14 minus 5, that is plain and simple 9. So if I write the solutions, that is x comma y, which is equal to 9 comma 5. So done with the first sum, quite easy. It is very easy and you can do it quite simply. Now let us move to one more question. So this is the fourth question of the textbook. Let us solve it. So let us say that these are the two equations. So mention the two equations. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. So this is our first equation. Second equation is given as root 3x plus, sorry, let us erase it. Okay. So this is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. As provided the two equations. Step वही करने, चलो first step. पहले इक्वेशन पे जाते हैं, रूट 2x प्लस रूट 3y इज इक्वल टू 0. अब हम क्या बोलेंगे, रूट 2x इज इक्वल टू, अब ये रूट 3y यहाँ पे लेंगे तो इट विल बिकम माइनस रूट 3y. ओके, फिर x की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी, दैट इज माइनस रूट 3y, और ये रूट 2 वहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाइड है तो यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो चुका है. सो दिस इज फिनिश्ड. ओके, अब x की वैल्यू मिल चुकी है, दैट इज माई थर्ड इक्वेशन. नाउ वी विल से सब्स्टिट्यूट. So what we'll say, substitute equation number 3 in equation number 2. So second equation में substitute कर दिया. Let us say what we get. So we get, अब यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू क्या डालेंगे, 10. So let us write root 3. जहाँ पे x है वहाँ पे substitute करेंगे माइनस रूट 3y अपॉन रूट 2 माइनस रूट 8y is equal to 0. Now just multiply it very properly. So root 3 into root 3, this will give you 3 minus 3y upon root 2 minus root 8 y is equal to 0. Now up to here you are clear. So we have only multiplied root 3 into root 3, that we have got 3 and this minus as it is. Now pay attention. अब फिर से हमें LCM लेना पड़ेगा. So we will do the LCM. I'll just show you what are the denominators. So again write down the denominators here back again. So please note the denominators. So denominators will be ओके. सो डिनोमिनेटर अगर हम देखने जाए तो सारे डिनोमिनेटर्स नीचे लिख देना है टू फाइंड द एलसीएम. सो इट इज रूट 2. ओके, सो हियर 1 1. सो डिनोमिनेटर इज ओनली रूट 2. सो एलसीएम विल बी ओनली रूट 2 इन दिस केस. सो दिस इज द वे टू फाइंड द एलसीएम. नाउ I am going to multiply the equation. So you will write multiply the equation by what? Root 2. So if I multiply by root 2, it will get minus 3y minus root 8 into root 2y is equal to 0 into root 2. अब यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं हुआ? बिकॉज रूट 2 डिनोमिनेटर में भी थे और मल्टीप्लाई करते वो कैंसिल भी हो गया. सो दिस विल कम माइनस 3y. दिस इज निगेटिव रूट 16 इज इक्वल टू 0 इंटू द रूट 2 विल बी 0. सो इट कम्स एज माइनस 3y. अब रूट 16 का स्क्वायर रूट यानी इट विल बी 4y इज इक्वल टू 0. सो इफ आई से माइनस 4y, सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. ओके, इसके आगे क्या करना है हमें? जस्ट सॉल्व दिस आंसर. सो लेट अस से माइनस 3y, सो दिस कम्स माइनस 7y इज इक्वल टू 0. सो y इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? नॉट प्लस 7. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट. 0 माइनस 7. सो फाइनली y कितना मिल जाएगा? देयरफॉर y इज इक्वल टू, यू विल से 0. फिनिश. नाउ व्हाट इज योर स्टेप? सो पुटिंग y is equal to 0 in equation number. So I'll just substitute it in my third equation. So that is x is equal to minus root 3 into 0 upon root 2. So anything multiplied by 0 forms 0 upon root 2 if I write it, and finally x is equal to 0. So solutions are quite simple. X and y is equal to 0 comma 0. So do not get confused with the square roots. Just go with the step as taught to you. So this is what the fourth equation is done. Let us begin solve fifth question. Okay, now see here, 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. So this is my equation here. So what I have to do? First I have to make it in a proper simple form. So it is already given in fraction. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Multiplying the equation. So multiplying the equation by which number? You have to multiply by the obtained LCM. LCM comes 6. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So this will be 9x minus 10y and this will be equal to minus 12. My first equation. Similarly, what about second? So x upon 3 plus y upon 2 gives you 13 upon 6. तो यहाँ पे हमें फिर से करना पड़ेगा multiply. तो multiplying the equation बाय, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? बाय अगेन द एलसीएम, दैट इज कमिंग 6. यू लर्न टू फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम. इफ यू हैव क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क मी लेटर ऑन. सो यहाँ पे एलसीएम्स निकालने के लिए हमें यहाँ पे 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो हमें मिलेगा 2x और यहाँ पे मिलेगा 3y इज इक्वल टू 13 6. सो प्लीज अगेन यह 6 मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो सिर्फ 13 बचता है. दैट इज माई सेकेंड इक्वेशन. अब हम 9x माइनस 10y इज इक्वल टू निगेटिव 12 पे करेंगे. ना व्हाट हैव टू डू? फाइंड द x इन टर्म्स ऑफ y. सो दिस 9x इज हियर. सो माइनस 12 प्लस 10y. फिर हम x की वैल्यू एग्जैक्टली भी फाइंड आए माइनस 12 प्लस 10y और 9 को शिफ्ट करते ही वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे मिल गया हमारा थर्ड इक्वेशन. अगेन द प्रोसेस विल बी सेम. सो सब्सटीट्यूट व्हाट हैव टू सब्सटीट्यूट? सो सब्सटीट्यूटिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 3 in equation number second. So second में substitute करते ही we have to write 2 in bracket. So यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी -12 प्लस 10y डिवाइडेड बाई 9, उसके आगे प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 13. This is the whole sum. Now first we'll multiply these two inside. So this is minus 24 plus 20y whole divided by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. अब ये 9 को तो हमें फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So multiplying the equation by which number you have to multiply by 9. तो मिलेगा आउटपुट -24 प्लस 20y plus 9 3s are 27y and 13 9s are. So 13 9s are, let us say 13 into 9. So it will come 117. So this is found here. Now let us write the further part. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, -24 this is coming as 47y is equal to 117. 47y अब 117, ये -24 वहाँ जाके +24. Okay, so 47y is equal to, let us find this product. So it will come 7 4 11 2 3 4 and this will be, so 47 into 3, let us check out. 7 3s are 21, 4 3s are 12, 13 14. So it is exactly 141 upon 47. तो y मिल रहा है, therefore y is equal to, so y will be equal to 3. Now we have done up to here. So we have got our y. y मिलने के बाद हमें क्या करना है, find out only our x. So x निकालना है, तो that is what, where is my x? Here, equation put. So putting okay, so putting, so now let us put y is equal to 3 in equation number third. So third equation में y is equal to 3 put करेंगे. So let us say x is already found out as -12 plus 10 और y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 3 divided by 9. So x is equal to -12 plus 10 3s are 13 upon 9 and let us write now minus, so this will be 18 upon 9 and here you got your x, that is equal to 2. So if I write the final solutions, that the x comma y will be 2 comma 3, that's all. So the whole sum is completed along with the x and y. So we have done an extra step here by making the equations simplified, and once you get the simplified equations like this and this, you have to move to the answer. So you have to, from here this process is same which is used in substitution method. Hope so you have understood. Let us move to the next question. Now question number 2. So this question is saying there are two equations and find the value of m where y is equal to mx plus 3. So this is a easy question. First thing, let us write the equation. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, that is my first equation, and second equation is 2x minus 4y is equal to -24. Do not worry about what is asked here. First let us find out. So basically let us find out the y and x, then we will get our m. So this is the sum where they have asked another variable, that is m, लेकिन जब तक x और y नहीं निकलते m नहीं मिलेगा. So let us solve these two equations. So go to the first equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. You have to write 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y and x again comes to be 11 minus 3y upon 2. So x is equal to, what will be this? So this we have completed with the third equation. Now once we get our third equation, move to the further step. चलो मिल गया third equation. Now substitute. So substituting equation 3 in equation number 2. So we have to substitute 11 minus 3y upon 2, ये x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे we have put here, rest same, minus 4y is equal to -24. चलो now पहले क्या करेंगे, to do cancel हो रहा है, so we have to only write 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to -24. चलो what is here, तो यहाँ पे 11 माइनस 7y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 24, माइनस 7y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 24 माइनस 11. So if I write minus 7y is equal to, तो this 2 is solved as minus 35. अब मुझे बताओ y क्या निकलेगा, माइनस 35.7 और y निकला माइनस, y विल बी ओनली 5. तो ये y अगर 5 आता है, सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द, सो ये हमारा y मिल चुका है. नाउ यू हैव गॉट योर y. नाउ पुटिंग y is equal to 5 in equation number, कौन सा इसमें इक्वेशन में डालना है, इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड. सो इफ आई पुट x इज इक्वल टू 11 माइनस y की वैल्यू हमें 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो मैं सिर्फ सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर रहा हूँ, नथिंग बिगर दैन दैट. x इज, चलो 11 माइनस 15 आ गया निगेटिव 4/2, तो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2. ओके, सो दिस इज डन. उसके बाद क्या करना है, अब x और y मिल चुका है. मैंने पूछा था फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ m फॉर विच y इज इक्वल टू mx प्लस 3. सो यू हैव टू स्टूडेंट्स, अब ये इक्वेशन प्रोवाइडेड इक्वेशन है. सो लेट अस राइट व्हाट इज रिलेशन बिटवीन x एंड y. सो रिलेशन बिटवीन x एंड y. So they have provided the variables, relation between the variables x and y. So you have to tell me y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay, so substituting values of equation, कौन से दो equation? So let us put the values of x and y in this. So we are going to say putting the values of x and y in equation number, let us name this equation. So equation number इसे क्या बोला जाए, फोर्थ इक्वेशन बोल देते हैं. So in equation number 4, so if I write y is equal to m की जगह कुछ नहीं डाल सकते, sorry, let us substitute y also. So y क्या substitute करोगे, 5, and m की वैल्यू तो पता नहीं है, और x की वैल्यू -2 plus 3. So if I write properly, this will be minus 2m plus 3. So this is m is equal to, okay, now this 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. This 3 I have brought here, and now you get 2 is equal to minus 2m. If I write properly, m shall be written as 2 upon minus 2. And what is the value of m? M is very simple, that is -1. सो द होल प्रोसेस इज एज यूजुअल, एक्स और वाई निकालो, बट यहाँ पे एक रिलेशन दी है वेरिएबल की जो हमने यहाँ पे लिखी है. सो दिस रिलेशन विल गिव यू द आंसर ऑफ एम आफ्टर सब्सटीट्यूटिंग एक्स एंड वाई इन दिस रिलेशन. सो दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एंड दिस इज वे वी हैव completed the question number 2, which is asking a new variable m. Hope so this is quite easy and you can go with the flow.